Poop, poopy, poopy. I'm doing this video because my birthday was like, this was like December 11. I don't know why. But in December 8, it was my birthday. And there was no like school at all. And I'm hitting like 900 here. I'm gonna beat my world record behind the seats. I'm so fast. I'm just spamming this. Really, I'm just spamming it. Okay, you need this, please. Speed, I need this. My mom is kind of homeless. This was too fast. I was tickling this like I am so done for. But I was so screwed. My phone has like cracks now. 6 7 6 7 6 7 6 7 6 7. And I absolutely gay. I love this, yes. I love it. And I love this too. Ooh, I like this. Yup, and I like to study. I don't know why. But studying is good. I'm just joking. Phone is better. Moon or sun? Oh yeah, I got idea. Oh yeah. Oh no. Hey, no. Why? Study is poopy. By the way, I do this. Yep, this looks perfect. This looks accurate, my love. I mean, I get a crush, but don't tell anyone. But nah, I just go like I just love Earth. I don't know why. Oh, I like